In this video, I want to talk about how you can get coins on Temu. Now, this is actually pretty simple, guys. If you want to get coins on Temu, the easiest way to do this is through the referral program. So head over to Google and just search for Temu affiliate. Sign up for this, it's only going to take a few minutes. And after that, you should have these links. Now, these links are for promos. So if you copy this link and send it to someone and they use it and sign up with this, you're gonna get coins, or you can get them in money and you can withdraw this. Now, another way that you can do it is also just by having their subscribe to their email list, because then they're gonna send out some discount codes and some free codes that you can use. And you can also play the games on the Temu app. Inside of those games, you can win free coins. So these are the ways to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.